So what we want to do is create a solid fill layer, just like we did in the last project, so that we can sort of match the tone and the feel of this image. You can see we've got this white area that just clashes with this very low key image that we have over here on the left. So what I want to do is create a solid fill layer, and I'm going to use my current foreground color, which is already set to black. And one trick about when you make solid fill layers is that if you click on a layer, the new layer that you create will always appear just above that layer you're working on. And I want it to sort of serve as a background here for my bass player layer. So I'm going to click on background just below it, and that way when it creates this new layer, it's going to kind of squeeze in here in between the two. So to create a solid fill layer, same as we did earlier, we're just going to go to Layer, choose New Fill Layer, Solid Color. And I can give it a name, but generally I don't, because it's a fill layer and the icon shows us the color. So generally with solid fill layers, I generally just leave them with the default name. So I'm going to click OK, and then it pre-selects the foreground color. So since I'm already on black, which is what I want, I'm going to just leave it there and tell it OK. And there we go. I just created a new solid fill layer using the current foreground color by just choosing the option from the menu and then just keep clicking OK. By default, it's going to use the foreground color. Now this looks a little bit better. It fits my mood just a little bit better in terms of the overall look being sort of low key and mellow looking. But what I want to do is I want to fade this image. And the best way to do that is with something called a layer mask. Let's talk about that powerful feature in the next video.